coolest thing that they've ever done here.
I got the spicy pepper. Really immersive and nice.
I love the setup. I think it's fantastic the way they, like, the whole workflow. It's kind of like in science, right?
I'm really grateful to have this sort of entertainment at the conference. I am so happy that I get to draw and I got to take a picture with my friend.
I think it's wonderful. I love to plant and grow flowers myself. So I think if I would have had something like this as a younger kid, I would have started it sooner and had a passion for it a lot sooner.
It's interesting, our food doesn't just show up. You actually have to put everything together. I don't know, and it actually fits really well for what we do in the science space. Is a medicine or a product doesn't just show up, it takes a lot of pieces and parts. So I don't know if this was meant to be as deep as that, but that's kind of how it feels. Is if you teach kids that early, maybe they'll go into science, which would be really cool.
The people who put this together, thank you, and thank you, Vontour, for bringing this. Do need these hands-on moments, and they're hard to get, so thank you so much.